Farther to the right of our travel is Central City, Rancho Mirage, Indian Wells, Palm Desert, La Quinta, Indio, and Coachella.
我天！
You may have noticed many windmills use whirling blades. They're powered by the almost constant winds that pour out of the mouth of the Banning Pass. The electricity that these windmills generate is sufficient to power thousands of homes in our state. Well, why don't you kick back and enjoy the view of the beautiful Coachella Valley, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes.
照那个夕阳啊。
Come in. Brace yourselves. Huge. These are going huge. Huge. Shake it.
Alright, brace yourselves. Hold on to something.
Hold on to something. Yeah, there's more. Yeah, I really can't. Maybe we'll turn around. Yeah, marble.
We're about halfway home now, and it's your last chance, at least on this trip, to breathe in some of that fresh mountain air.
Mountain air.
When is it coming?
Alright, going. 3, 2, 1. Oh
Down below us, you'll soon be able to see the roof of the stores the water collected from the stream. That water, and for that matter, all the materials depending on how many guests we're transporting in each car. We'll be pulling into the Valley Station dock in just a few minutes. We know that you take with you memories of great adventure to visit to a state park that encompasses 13,000 acres of pristine wilderness, 54 miles of hiking trails, and 6 primitive campgrounds. But I doubt you covered it all today. Depending on the time of the year you visit Mount San Jacinto, you could see one or more of the 14 different mammals who call the mountain home. From deer mice, California myotis bat, ring-tailed cat and the bobcat, to maybe a mountain lion or coyote. They're all there to see. Or you might spot some of the 63 species of birds, such as the golden eagle, Steller's jay, dark-eyed junco, red-tailed hawk, white-headed woodpecker. You get my point. There's just too much to be experienced in just one visit to this magnificent mountain.
That yawn face.
变枫叶蛮漂亮的。
Sure will you, Greg?
Not yet.
到了。